Understanding, in a financial bind, a guide to financial phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to make learning English fun and easy for you. Today, we have a very interesting topic that can help you navigate through conversations about money and financial situations. We're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, in a financial bind, and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. So, let's dive in and unravel the mystery behind this common English expression. When someone says they are in a financial bind, they are referring to a situation where they are facing financial difficulties or struggles. This phrase paints a picture of being trapped or restricted by financial problems, making it hard for them to manage their money effectively. It's similar to finding yourself in a tight spot, but specifically with regard to money. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. Unexpected expenses. Imagine your car suddenly breaks down and requires expensive repairs. If you don't have enough money saved up for emergencies, you might say, "I'm in a financial bind because of my car repair costs." 2. Loss of income. If someone loses their job and struggles to pay their bills, they could describe their situation by saying, "Losing my job has really put me in a financial bind." 3. High debts. People with high levels of debt might feel overwhelmed by their payments. In this case, they might explain, "My credit card debts have put me in a financial bind." These scenarios show how the phrase can be used to express financial distress or challenges. Now that you know what it means to be in a financial bind, let's talk about how you can use this phrase in your conversations. It's a useful expression for discussing personal finance or empathizing with someone's financial troubles. For example, when giving advice, you might say, "If you ever find yourself in a financial bind, it's important to have an emergency fund." In a conversation about hardships, you could share, "We've all been in a financial bind at some point. It's how we learn to manage our money better." Understanding phrases like, "in a financial bind," can greatly enhance your English vocabulary, especially when talking about financial matters. We hope this video has shed light on how to use and understand this expression in various contexts. Remember, learning English is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.